Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about what is linear regression. Hi, I am a data science trainer at Data Neurons, Jayanagar, 4th Block, Bangalore. For more information on the courses, please contact the number, email or visit our office. So linear regression is supervised machine learning model. Supervised is nothing but where we have for the given inputs we will have the corresponding outputs. So as per the textbook definition, if we go, a linear regression model describes the relation between a dependent variable, which we are going to refer it as y, and one or more independent variable, which we are going to refer it as x. So just to give you a context, here in the entire course, x will be represented as inputs, y will be represented as output. So another way to remember this one is y is called dependent variable, independent variables are called as or represented as x. So let's take an example and understand how a linear regression model will describe the relationship between the dependent variables and independent variables. So let's talk about independent variable first. Independent variables are nothing but the inputs or the features. For example, here we have house sizes and which are represented as x, and these are the corresponding house prices which are represented by y. So here house sizes is independent variable and house price is dependent variable. So we are asking, so what does the much linear regression does here is he tries to establish or describe the relationship between the house size and house price. For example, for now we know that 1180 square feet of size is gonna cost us $221,000. What if I increase this number by 1? What will be the effect on y? So this kind of a relationship a linear regression model will provide us, whether the price will increase or decrease. And similarly, in the models like where we may have multiple features, for example we have house size and the number of bedrooms in that particular house, and then what is the price for that particular house. So here house size and how number of bedrooms are independent variables, where this house price is still a dependent variable. So these are multiple input features we have. Here we have just one single features and one output, multiple input features and one output. Just to remember that dependent variable is also called as a response variable. Independent variable are also called explanatory or predictors variable. Stay tuned for more updates.